Hi, Cassadee Davis here, and although you might know me from the Cuckolber Morning Show, I'm not here to talk about me today. My fellow celebrities and I are doing something pretty exciting. We've discovered some incredible counties and towns and neighboring communities. Here, check them out.
Located in Vinton, Iowa, in Benton County, you will find the Viking Sewing Center. Established in 1959, Dean and Kathy Lewis purchased the Viking Sewing Center from Dean's father in 1986, continuing his family's long history of service to the community. The business has seen great changes over the years. Sewing machines have evolved from basic sewing stitches to the point that they can pretty much operate themselves. Touchpads allow the operator to program functions with very little effort and fantastic results. Some machines even have the ability to create a pattern from a photograph. With advances in technology and machine functionality, the need for education is an important component. Kathy frequently teaches sewing techniques and how to operate the machines that they sell. Since they carry 20 different models, each able to do different functions, they make sure to show each customer how the different machines work. That way, the customer can select the perfect machine to handle their individual sewing needs. Today's machines can range in price from $150 to $15,000 and can connect to the internet. Some are able to store designs using cloud technology as well. Others contain videos and are interactive for training purposes. Sewing advances have come a long way since the home economics classes of yesteryear. Today, Viking Sewing Center is proud to rank 69th in the nation for Viking Husqvarna sales. Since sewing trends and needs have changed so dramatically, Kathy finds it important to work with the customer to determine their sewing style, whether they sew for others, quilt, do alterations of bridal gowns, or just sew for their own pleasure. "I teach and sell machines," Kathy said in a recent interview, "and Dean does all the service and repair work for the store. We make a pretty good team. We provide support, answer questions, and enjoy being of service to our community." Viking Sewing Center also carries a wide array of fabric patterns and styles, perfect for any sewing project you may have in your future. Whether you are a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro, Kathy will be on hand to lend her expertise. Can't come to the store just yet? Visit her on the web at www.vintonsewing.com for a look at their products and an up-to-date listing of upcoming classes. Dean and Kathy invite you to stop in anytime and let them help you with all of your sewing needs. Viking Sewing Center, Vinton, Iowa.